Okay, my name is Vito Dimucci. I live in Saratoga, California, and have been there since 1969. I decided to run for the Central Committee in District 5, Santa Clara County, because I'm really fed up with what's going on in our state and in the federal government. I hope to be able to have a somewhat of an impact, positive impact on changing this. Well, some of the concerns I have about California have to do with the taxes and the tax structure that they put forth. Resident of California, I really don't like the increasing growth of homelessness and what I see and reported on in the San Diego area, the Los Angeles area, San Francisco area, and beginning in San Jose as well. It really bothers me that this is considered acceptable. It's not acceptable, not at all. I've never volunteered for any position like this, or higher or lower, ever before. The change was what I saw in our government, especially the federal government and some of the state and local governments that I've seen here. I believe the homeowner taxes that we pay are horrendous. I don't see a break there. In fact, they were running another Proposition 13, deceivingly, so calling it Proposition 13, so that if you voted yes for this, the taxes would actually go up. It's very unfair, very kind of a corrupt approach, I think. Not being open with the people. They should be for the people, not against the people.